Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Prime Time. This video is basically for our English medium student. Today we are going to discuss about central government schemes and the implementing ministries. We will discuss about top 100 central government scheme. In part first we are going to discuss about top 50 central government schemes and the implementing ministries with some key points. We will start with Pahal, a DBT program runs by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Minister is Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Started 1st of June 2013, providing direct LPG subsidy to consumers' account by using their Aadhaar. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana started at 1st of May 2016, launched by our PM Mr. Narendra Modi. Runs by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Green Corridor Project runs by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and the minister is Mr. Rajkumar Singh, Minister of State. National LED program called Ujala. Ujala stands for Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LED for All. Started at 5th January 2015, launched by Mr. Narendra Modi. And Green Highway Policy, Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, Minister is Mr. Nitin Gadkari, constituency Nagpur. And it starts 2015. In 2015, government approved rupees 7,660 crores to 4 states, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and UP, promoting green and eco-friendly national highways. Namami Gange project runs by Ministry of Water Resource, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, constituency Jodhpur is the minister. Ministry of Environment, Urban Development, Shipping, Tourism, Rural Development are coordinating with Water Resource Ministry in it. National Mission of Green India runs by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Minister is Mr. Prakash Javadekar. Crime and Criminal Tracking Network and System, CCTNS, runs by Ministry of Home Affairs, and the minister is Mr. Amit Shah. Digital India, Ministry Department of DEITY, Ministry of Communication, implemented by entire government machinery in their respective domains. DigiLocker, Ministry Department, Ministry of Communication and IT, Minister is Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. E-Biz is full form e-business, electronic business, Ministry Department of Industrial Policy, promoting DIPP. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, implemented by Infosys. E-Courts Mission Mode project, Ministry of Law and Justice. The project is being implemented by National Informatics Center NIC, Ministry of IT, and Minister is Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Jeevan Praman, this scheme is run by Ministry Department of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Communication and IT, and Minister is Ravi Shankar Prasad. National Optical Fiber Network NOFN, Ministry Department of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Communication and IT, and the minister is Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Nowcast, it is a very important program. Ministry of Agriculture, Minister is Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar. Collaborative efforts between M-Kisan portal developed by DAC, weather technologies adopted by IMD and GIS portal of NIC called National Informatics Center. Pragati, proactive governance and timely implementation, runs by Ministry Department, Prime Minister Office, and Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Startup India, Ministry Department DIPP, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and the minister is Mr. Piyush Goyal. India Aspiration Fund and Small Loans, Ministry of Finance, Miss Nirmala Sitharaman is the minister. Atal Pension Yojana, Ministry and Department, Ministry of Finance, administered by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Nirmala Sitharaman is the minister. Mudra Bank and प्रधानमंत्री मुद्रा योजना, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस। प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस। प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, रन्स बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस। प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, पीएम JBY, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस। स्टैंड अप इंडिया, मिनिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विस, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस। सॉवरेन, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, कोलैबोरेशन इन एसोसिएशन विद RBI। गोल्ड मोनेटाइजेशन स्कीम, रन्स बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस। राष्ट्रीय आरोग्य निधि, RAN, मिनिस्ट्री मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर, डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन इज द मिनिस्टर। जन औषधि स्कीम, मिनिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल मिनिस्ट्रीज एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ केमिकल्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स। So this scheme runs by this ministries. जननी शिशु सुरक्षा योजना, जननी शिशु सुरक्षा कार्यक्रम, जननी शिशु सुरक्षा कार्यक्रम, JSSK, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर। जननी सुरक्षा योजना रन्स बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर, डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन इज द मिनिस्टर। मिशन इन धनुष, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर। नेशनल हेल्थ एश्योरेंस, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर। नेशनल रूरल हेल्थ मिशन, रन्स बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर। नेशनल अर्बन हेल्थ मिशन, runs by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and implemented by Ministry of Urban Development, Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation, Human Resource Development and Women and Child Development, and the HRD Minister is Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. National Ayush Mission, Ministry Department of Ayush and Ministry of Ayush, Minister of Health and Family Welfare. National Health Protection Scheme, Ministry of Finance. प्रधानमंत्री स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा योजना, PMSSY, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर। फार्मा जन समाधान स्कीम, मिनिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट नेशनल फार्मास्यूटिकल प्रीसिंग अथॉरिटी, NPPA, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फार्मा, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ केमिकल एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स। The ministers are Sadanand Gowda and Mansukh Mandvi. State Minister, राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, मिनिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर. Earlier it was under of labor and employment ministry, and the labor and employment minister are Santosh Kumar Gangwar. Bharatmala project, ministry department, ministry of road and transport, highway, Nitin Gadkari is the minister. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana runs by ministry department, ministry of power. Rajkumar Singh, minister of state, is the minister. Ganga Gram Yojana, ministry department, ministry of water resource and integrated power development scheme, runs by ministry department, ministry of power. And the Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is the minister of water and resource, and ministry of power runs by Rajkumar Singh, minister of state. So these are the top 50 schemes of central government. Nowadays they are in mostly in news. So we will discuss top 50 schemes in our next segment. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.